Tell me how you guys feel about that. What's your take on that? 85% accuracy for a model to make loan decisions. Tell me how you guys feel about it. So I am Agnes. I am Agnes. The goal of this model in our example right now is that it makes loan decisions for a yes, no of getting a loan. How do you guys feel about that? I'll give you guys another 30 seconds in the chat. Let me know. You feeling pretty good about these results? Okay, so Hamad said for me it's more than reasonable. Okay. Anybody else? Just give me a feeling on it. You don't have to give me a rationale. Give you guys another few seconds here. Ashish says good enough. Maybe good enough. Okay. Anybody else? Patrick says 15% of loans will default. Not good. No, Patrick, that's not what this is telling you. This is telling you the accuracy of the model, right? That's what it's telling you. The results itself is more in the precision in the recall, right? Michael says good enough, but I think it depends on the bank. Okay. Explore the Beauty says this is okay. Okay. Moriah, welcome. I don't think I've seen you participate before. Welcome to the chat. It says in between may be good to good enough. Okay. Okay, so let's stop right there, right? Now, clear your mind.